Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, this is a slightly different vlog style. I don't know why I just thought I'd show you my arm. For today's video I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I love watching hauls and I know from the feedback you guys like watching them too. However, slightly unrealistic I feel to do hauls all the time. I think it's unrealistic to the average person. I understand maybe if this was like your full-time job or your career, you can probably go shopping most days of the week. However, as an average person, I feel like going shopping and doing hauls all the time is slightly unrealistic. I thought I'd do like a come shopping with me series. I go browsing quite a lot anyway, so I thought why not take you guys along with me. We can look around the shop, I can try stuff on, I can show you what's new, you can see the stuff I actually do purchase, because don't get me wrong, there are times when I want to buy the whole store but I only end up buying one thing or two. So I thought today I'd do that. Well, I wanted to do it vlog style and I kind of wanted to start this earlier, maybe do get ready with me while I was talking. However, got too occupied by too many YouTube videos that I hadn't caught up in, and by the time I knew it I need to leave in 5 minutes because I have an appointment before I can go shopping. And for today's video I thought it'd be fun if we go ahead and try Zara. I haven't been in Zara for a while. Definitely haven't been I definitely haven't been in at least a month or so. So I thought I'd go see what's new in. The reason why I like watching YouTube videos for Zara stuff is because I don't find the website particularly fun to shop on. Am I holding this crooked? Have I been holding this crooked the whole time? It's just so heavy. And this is another point. I'm gonna have to go with my iPhone camera because this camera is huge. It's my DSLR, but I don't have a little camera, like a vlogging one, which I kind of need to get. Yeah, I should probably get one. So hopefully the quality will be okay on my iPhone. Obviously we can just try this out and you guys can give me feedback if you like this style or if you just want to stick to regular hauls, which don't get me wrong, I love filming and watching too. I just thought we can switch it up with a little bit of this at the same time. So yeah, I'll show you my outfit and then we can get going. Why am I saying bye? You're going to continue the clip in a second. You see, I wasn't exaggerating when I said I have this huge camera. It's so heavy and definitely need to switch it up. And also when I'm dressing in and out of clothes, I just like to have something I can throw on, take off really easily. So this jacket is this leather jacket from Miss Selfridge. This is a t-shirt, but it's one of those high neck ones which I love, with these style of jeans. I think these are mum jeans. I think these are mum jeans. These are from ASOS, super baggy but actually quite flattering at the same time. And this is a little bag which I got from like a vintage shop. I don't know if it's real or not. Oh, who's calling our house phone? I did not get that in time and it just ruined my outfit of the day. Anyway, so that's everything that I'm wearing. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. Just super simple, super easy. Ready to go. It's so sunny and the sky's backing up right now. And look how I feel. Dishevelled. I feel like shopping is great and I love it and I love going shopping and whatever. But it is freaking tiring. I feel shattered and I haven't eaten lunch and it's 2:30. I picked this drink up from M&S. It's a cherry milk drink with live cultures. Delicious. I love anything yogurt flavoured. I want to make a cup of tea, but I also want to talk to you guys. Let me make my tea. BRB. always wanted to do that, but I know it's so annoying. Okay, I have my tea, so all is good and right in the world. So yeah, I'm back from my lovely trip at Zara. I thought I'd let you guys know what I thought. So actually there were quite a few, is this angle even? It's a Monday and it was around 12 o'clock, half 11, 12. So it was slightly more on the quiet side. Stuff was in order and quite clean, so that's good. I found it a little bit awkward. Vlogging is even vlogging if you don't have a professional camera. I don't know. So I filmed my iPhone. Obviously I didn't mind filming around, but I don't know how much you're allowed to film inside stores. I don't know what that situ is. However, because it was quite quiet when I was in the change rooms, like I could hear the staff talking because there weren't a lot of people there, and there was just people with their friends and like a few women with their children, so I couldn't really be like, hey guys. Not self-conscious, but when you feel conscious of someone, of them being able to hear you, I wouldn't mind as much if I had someone with me or whatever. I was by myself, and obviously I was the only one there by myself, so it was a bit obvious. So I decided to film the clips, and I was going to talk to you guys over it now. Am I making sense? So yeah, in terms of the store, there were lots of like autumn, wintry stuff ready. There were still some transitional pieces, some more summer pieces, some basics as always, but definitely the autumn winter stuff is in full swing. Jackets galore, coats galore, jumper galore, trouser galore, you name it, they got it. Definitely the two main colours, brown and cheetah. It's a colour for this autumn anyway. However, the cheetah, is it cheetah print or leopard print? I don't actually quite know the difference, to be completely honest. It's one or the other. Lots of it. And when I say lots, I mean like a huge abundance of it. So the first two things I picked up were two dresses. Similar vibe, long sleeved, long to the bottom, maxi dresses. However, different styles. The first one was this black grey like print one. The fabric was holy moly super comfortable. Honestly, it felt more as a summer dress due to the fact that the material was quite thin, but it was such a beautiful, light, easy to wear, breathable material. The quality, I think, of the material felt amazing. The fit was really quite flattering. The issue I have, the change rooms in Zara, or at least the one I go to, the spotlights are so bright. First of all, it casts I hate spotlights in general in terms of changing rooms, because they cast a shadow like right above you, then they make it look like you have the worst bags under your eyes and the worst, they just really accentuate flaws as opposed to make it, that's what I think anyway. So I'm not a big fan of change rooms, and they're tiny, and with a camera, as soon as you click video, it tends to zoom in a little bit anyway. You can't get further back enough to see the whole thing, so I did a lot of panning. And the lighting in there is shocking. It took me so long to not get a white face or like a white outfit, and ran over. I don't know if they looked flattering. All I know is that they're very flattering on. The first one I loved. I can imagine pairing this with a biker jacket, with a leather jacket, like really chunky like black heavy duty boots. I think that would look great. I can even imagine throwing like a thick jumper over the top, and you can just see the maxi dress underneath. That look really cute with like ankle boots. Loved the first dress, same with the second dress. The difference was the material felt much more different. Thicker material, more kind of robust, definitely more wearable in the autumn I'd say, just due to the colours and due to the print. Like I said, this cheetah leopard print, I don't know which one it is, works amazing. I don't actually have a dress like this, so this would definitely be like a staple dress. This with a leather jacket and again some like black heavy duty boots to take away from the femininity and add a bit of a masculine tone would, I think, just look unreal. With a little like crossbody bag, I'd go with like a red one to add a pop of colour. Genuinely really like these two dresses on. If I had to pick one, probably, to be completely honest, I would pick, oh I'm not sure, can I say both? No, I need to pick one. Probably for right now I'd pick the leopard print one, yeah. Okay, what was the next thing? Oh my gosh, the next outfit, sorry I didn't mean to shout. No words, no actual words. That's a lie, I have a lot of words. I absolutely loved this outfit. So again, I decided to pick up those cheetah, tiger print, leopard print, tiger, where's that come from, not sure, shorts. Now, this jumper has got to be the softest, warmest thing I have ever put on my body. It feels so luxurious, it feels like such good quality. Like, I can imagine just spending the whole winter in this. It has these adorable ties on the wrists, which I think add a bit of like this girly aspect. That's why when you pair it with these like cheetah print shorts, I think it just works really well. The balance is amazing. It's just a ready to go outfit. Put on a pair of black ankle boots or put on a pair of trainers and you're good to go. You look cozy, but you still look like you've made a really good effort. The jumper, again, I'm obsessed with. I got it in a medium, should have picked up small, I couldn't see small there. I thought I'd try it on, I didn't want to bother anyone and ask for a small if I wasn't sure I was going to buy it. However, I definitely think I would have gone with a small because the fit is so oversized. If you don't get your size, it can be a little bit too big. Really, really liked it. If I had to pick anything out of this whole haul, it'd be that jumper, which I'm going to go back and get, but go back and get in a small. So when I picked up the jumper, I was thinking what else I could pair it with. And the section of leggings, but they look like trousers, but they were leggings because they didn't have a zip or a thing, what's it called, a button or anything, but they had cool prints. So it's that sort of checked print that's quite in. The one was like brownie tone, one was more cooler grey tone, and they had like leathery leggings, pants type things, and then felt ones. These were all £19.99 for £20. I thought that they were really great because they seem like trousers. So if you have a long enough jumper or a long enough top or like an oversized cardigan, you just see the bottom of your leg and it looks like you're in trousers, but they're just so comfortable. I had this with that jumper just to see what it looks like, and I think it looks great. Super wearable, great for work. The only thing is it might look a bit odd on me because I picked up a medium and I probably should have picked up a small. A bit too baggy. You can kind of tell around the, if you move a bit, the crotch is a little bit big, so I probably would go small, but they felt like really good quality, super warm. And for £20 I thought they looked really good. Really, really good. I paired those trousers with this sort of like just white box t-shirt with like a slogan thing on it. I really like printed t-shirts. I feel like they can work really well with skirts, with maxi skirts, tucked in shorts, tucked in trousers, and I like the oversized ones. So I saw this one, I think this was about £20. I thought it looked cool because it's black and white, so then you can pair it with anything with colour or even a print. So I think it'd work quite well for layering. I see like loads of people do this on Instagram and I think it looks really cool. I also did this thing where I like tucked it in my bra here because it was quite big. I saw there's this Instagrammer and YouTuber I follow called Fashion Influx something. I'll link it down below. She's huge on Instagram. What she does, she really like pairs things well and tucks things in ways that you wouldn't even think to do. So I saw her do that to one of her t-shirts, and I think she does that often, and it gives you this really nice like look. So I tried that and it actually looked really good with those leggings. And the reason I got it was to pair with this red skirt that I found. Again, the lighting is making it look different. It was much more of a rich autumn red. Like if you think of an autumn red, that's the colour of the skirt. However, the fabric was thin, like silky thin. It was really nice because if you put your leg out a little bit, it split, but it had this cover at the top, so it doesn't prevent you from showing too much. I thought it looked really, really nice. Again, I don't know how it turned out because it's one that I look back on and it looked much better in real life. Or maybe the lighting just didn't work to show it that well. So yeah, that was everything in terms of my Zara haul. Oh, Zara haul. The reason I didn't purchase anything this time is because I want to look around a few of the different shops, clear out my wardrobe and write a list of stuff I need. I'm trying not to buy too much fast fashion, more capsule pieces. Just go back and get that jumper because I'm obsessed with that, and one of the dresses, and possibly those shorts. Because if I'd bought this online, I probably would have just kept them, but because I was in store, I was more like inclined to just leave them. Tell me what you thought of this format. I feel like it's a bit rusty because it's my first one. However, we can hopefully get better if you enjoy this format. I thought it's a good idea to take you around shops where, for example, Zara's online website is a bit meh. Like Primark doesn't even have an online website, and that way you can see what's in store. Because if I was going to buy them, I wouldn't necessarily buy as much stuff, so when I haul it, I feel like you don't see as much as if I was to go around the store and try on a few more things. The thing I need to do is invest in a little camera. I think everyone has that G7X. That might have to be on the purchase list soon. So yeah, I'll try and link stuff down below if it's linkable, if you liked it. So let me know what you thought of the outfits and what you thought of this video. Is it a yay? Is it a nay? Please don't be too mean if it's a nay. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do click subscribe, completely free. You can join our little family. Hope you guys are having a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!